everyone, Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to show you the top 5 things we love about the Carnival Sunshine. These are mine and Michelle's favorite things, and let's go with them. They're not in the order that we like them, so we're just going to go through. Number 1 is the Lido Marketplace Havana Bar area. Man, we love this area. It's on deck 9. A lot of people, when they get their food at the buffet, they try to sit in that area, but there's a hidden place in the back in the Havana Bar area that number 1 has the Havana Bar, but number 2, you got 2 restaurants back there. You got Cachinas, and you also have, let me start out from the morning. In the morning, you have the omelet station. Then at lunchtime, you have the Mongolian wok. You also have Cachinas, the Captain's Pasta Bar. And then for supper or dinner time, you have Gigi's Asian Kitchen. And then you also have Cachinas, the paid service as well. Last time we were on there, they were not doing the dinner time Cachinas, but next time in 2 weeks, they will. But really cool area set back there, plenty of seating. There are chairs that pull up. They're not hip huggers. And then you got the view of the aft of the ship. Just an awesome area, in my opinion and my wife's opinion. Number 2 is the Serenity Deck. Man, what a Serenity Deck. A lot of people have been on some of the newer ships still say the Sunshine has the best Serenity Deck. You have 3 levels, 11, 12, and 14. There's plenty of cabanas, a great view of the ocean. You got a bar up there. One of the most important things I think about it, and the most awesome things, is that it overlooks the Lido deck. So while they're having activities on the Lido deck, you could be sitting up in the adults area, drinking your drink, your favorite, whatever it is, you know, your cruiser or whatever, and then just still kind of be part of the activities down there, but still an adult only section. What an awesome area. It's got a waterfall. It's got a pool. Really cool on the 11, 12, and 14 on the Carnival Sunshine, the Serenity Deck area. Number 3 for us, and again, this is not in any particular order, is the Ocean Plaza area. Man, what a cool area. They got bands playing there. They have trivia, karaoke. You got the Alchemy Bar on one side, the Red Frog Pub on the other side. Plenty of seating there. An awesome area in our opinion. A lot of times we'll go to dinner and then just go up on deck 5 is where it's located. And kind of hang out there late in the evening listening to music, but an awesome area, definitely one of our favorites. And that kind of leads into the layout of the ship. That's one thing we absolutely love about the Carnival Sunshine. We've been on many different ships, most of them the smaller ships, but the Carnival Sunshine layout is cool. I mean, you got deck 3, you got the Sunshine Restaurant. You just get on the elevator, come up to 5 on the aft, and then as soon as you get off, you got the Alchemy Bar on your right, Ocean Plaza on the left. Red Frog Pub is further to the left, right, connected to the Ocean Plaza area. And then as you walk up the hallway, they have opportunities for pictures. You got Java Blue, and then you got the shake area. And then as you keep going on 5, you got the casino bar on the left. Then the casino is an average sized casino, but still just a great flow to it. As you go through the casino, you go into the area of the shops area. And that's where you got the cherry on top. You have the Rec Arcade, the Warehouse Arcade. You've got jewelry stores, just a general store overall for the Carnival Cruise Line. And that overlooks kind of the atrium area down below. It's just an awesome area. One thing we also love about the layout of the ship is the Fahrenheit 555 has its own deck midship where it's on 4. Not the entire deck, of course, but Bonsai Sushi is across from it. A lot of Carnival ships, you have to go up and outside to finally get to the steakhouse. But on the Carnival Sunshine, it's midship on deck 4, and you don't have to go outside to get to it. Also, you have the Pixel area right across from that. So again, love the Carnival Sunshine layout. Then on deck 9, as I mentioned earlier, all the food options. You got Blue Iguana, you got Guy's Burger Joint. Then in the back, you got the buffet, you got pizza, you got Cachinas, you got Gigi's Asian or Mongolian Wok for lunch. Just Havana Bar area overall, as I mentioned earlier, just love that area. So we love the flow of the Carnival Sunshine. And last, you have Waterworks and the Sports Square. What a cool area this is. If you got kids, you can play putt-putt. They have the ropes course there. You got chess, you got checkers, you got billiards. And then you get into the actual waterworks there. You got basketball. I forgot about that. How can you forget that? You got Shaq there where you can compare your height and size to him. But then in the back, you got a 6-story water slide. They got one smaller for kids, for the small kids. cool umbrella section where you can kind of watch your kids play while you're underneath an umbrella having a few drinks. And then on the very back, they got a great view of the ocean with seeing the wake of the ship. So absolutely love that area as well. If you got kids, that's a definite area that you'll hang out in some and enjoy. So again, that's mine and Michelle's and Anthony's top 5 list. Top 5 on the Carnival Sunshine, what we love. What do you guys like about it? What's your favorite? Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Please join our Facebook group page. You can just look up on Facebook, Lovey's Fat Life. We talk a lot about cooking, a lot about food, but again, cruising and going to the mountains. So come hang out with us. You guys have a great one. Bye.